go.
You don't know that home ownership builds communities. And you certainly don't know that owning a home contributes to higher self-esteem.
Possible tornado near N.Y.C and Flatbush, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. North. If there is a tornado in this thing, it's going to be extremely rain wrapped. We're probably not even going to see it. The winds did pick up pretty good right now, but I wouldn't classify this as a tornado, no way. However, Flushing is northeast from N.Y.C and Flatbush, so this is the location that the tornado would be coming.
Formula has maximum chloride to rebuild enamel up to 2 times stronger. N.Y.C sensitive, strong tea, fresh breath, and a sensitive formula.
This camera lens wet if I can avoid it. Storms in New York usually come from the west and head east. These storms are coming from the south-north.